Hello viewers, welcome in RK Law Foundation. I am Advocate Vinay Arodia and I welcome you in my YouTube channel RK Law Foundation. Friends, this video is based on Haryana Judiciary. It means we will solve Haryana Judiciary question paper 2017 and we can say solved version of exam 2017. Friends, if you like this video, press like button, share video to your friends who is preparing for judicial service and who need previous year question papers of judiciary and subscribe my YouTube channel RK Law Foundation. We completed 60 questions in our previous videos. Now in this video, we will start from 61 to next questions. I request again to my viewers, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. So friends, let's start question number 61. When consent of an agreement is caused by misrepresentation under Indian Contract Act, option A void, option B valid, option C voidable, option D illegal, and option E none of the above. Your time starts now. Friends, you can mention your comment in comment box. So what is the correct answer of question number 61? Answer is C voidable. Next question, question number 62. This question is based on legal maxim. Q facet per alium facet per se means option A who has not the power of alienating is under the necessity of retraining. Option B who does not the power of alienating is under the necessity of retraining. Option C who does not prohibit when he is able to prohibit is in fault. Option D who is silent to consent. And option E none of the above. Your time starts now. So what is the correct answer of question number 62? A is the correct answer. Who has not the power of alienating is under the necessity of retraining. Now we are going for next question. Question number 63. If a Hindu male dies intestate, leaving behind mother, father, son, brother, and sister, the property will devolve on option A. All get 1/5 share each. Option B. Father, son, and brother being male getting 1/3 share each. Father and mother getting 1/2 share each. Option D, mother and son getting 1/2 share each, and option E, none of the above. Your time starts now. So, what is the correct answer of question 63? D is the correct answer. Mother and son getting 1/2 share each. Now we are going for question 64. Which section of Registration Act 1908 makes it compulsory to affix passport size photograph and fingerprints upon the documents to be registered? Option A, Section 16A, option B, Section 23A, option C, Section 32A, and option D, Section 79A, and option E, none of the above. So, what is the correct answer of question 64? Your time starts now. Let's see what is the correct answer. C is the correct answer, section 32A. And Now we are going for next question, question number 65. Warranty as per section 12 of Sales of Goods Act 1930 is option A stipulation essential to main purpose of the contract. Option B, a stipulation collateral to main purpose of the contract. Option C, the same as a condition. Option D, a ground for repudiating the contract. Option E, none of the above. Your time starts now. So, what is the correct answer? B is the correct answer. A stipulation collateral to the main purpose of the contract. Now we are going for next question, question number 66. Who among following under Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act 1956 will be the natural guardian of minor's wife person? Option A, husband. B, her father. C, her mother. D, her father-in-law. E, none of the above. Your time starts now. So, what is the correct answer of question 66? A is the correct answer. Husband will be the natural guardian of minor wife. Now, we are going for next question, question number 67. This question is based on general knowledge. Yad Wasim is an Israeli. Option A, irrigator technique. Option B, Holocaust memorial. Option C, nuclear reactor. Option D, commando force. Option E, none of the above. And your time starts now. What is the correct answer? B is the correct answer, Holocaust memorial. Now, next question is question number 68. Where is the headquarter of World Anti-Doping Agency? Question mark. This question also based on GK. Option A, Montreal. Option B, New York. Option C, Athens. And D, Paris. And E, none of the above. Your time start now. So, what is the correct answer? A is the correct answer, Montreal. Now, next question is question number 69. Sir Creek, a disputed region, India and Pakistan, is A. Option A, Coral Island. Option B, Volcanic Island. Option C, Tidal Estuary. Option D, Backwater Lagoon. Option E, none of the above. Your time starts now. This question also based on general knowledge. So comment your answer in comment box. What is the correct answer? C is the correct answer. Tidal Estuary. Now we are going for question 70. Sudhirman Cup is associated with game of options A, judo. B, hockey. C, football. D, badminton. E, none of the above. And your time starts now. Correct answer is badminton. Now